Greetings! Welcome back to the channel. Hi, I'm Bruce, your host, with a impromptu, one of those videos. Hey, spare the moment video. There you go. We had some awesome news earlier, so we wanted to pass that along and share it. It is official that our hosts for our AMC Live Chat, which is Automotive Model Cars Chat, will be at the ACME show in Georgia. I'll have to put the address here. I didn't think about putting that screen there. But we'll show you this image though. And unfortunately, I will not be able to go. Life and health issue things, you know, it's the way life is. So we will be doing a live broadcast. And those guys will be on location. Who knows what's going to happen? So you might want to be ready for some exciting, awesome stuff. Pictures and chats and I don't know, just stuff. I've never been to a convention of that type, so I don't know. And that's one of the biggest. And so this is kind of awesome for our little bitty tiny YouTube, you know, little tiny YouTube show. And the guys are excited about going down there and doing this. They were excited about going in the first place, and then we decided to do the show from there also. So I don't know what's going to happen. Like I said, just be ready. It'll be fun. There's no doubt in my mind. It'll be interesting. So I've been posting that image in several places, so hopefully it gets passed around some more. I don't know. I give it to the guys. So if you go to my community page on Bruce's Eclectic World or Bruce's World of Stuff, you will see that advertisement there, and you can copy that image and share it all you like until next Thursday. Yeah. So please do so. Thank you very much in advance. Also, I mentioned in a couple of videos that I was going to be having a giveaway. I don't know if I can say those words nowadays or not. Anyhow, when I reached 500 subs, well, I'm at 508, and I also mentioned at 550 we will be doing the said spreading the joy giveaway thing. And he got my note. The only real rules is you've got to be subbed to the channel. You have to ring the bell so you can get notified. Otherwise, you don't know about it. And this is for the lower 48 states only. No overseas or out of the United States mailing will not happen. Costs too much. I do apologize for that. And for my overseas friends that watch, I got 2 or 3 that are real good supporters of the channel, and I apologize. And I know you guys are on lots of other channels and you get left out all the time, so I do apologize. It's just the facts of shipping costs and tariffs and import fees and all that stuff. It's just not a feasible thing to do. So I apologize once again. So stay tuned for that video when I reach 550, and we'll put out another reminder video somewhere along the line, because like I said, we've been at 508 for the last 3 days, so hopefully YouTube's not going to be taking any away like they do. Anyway, that's going to be it for today. It's just a short video. I just wanted to shoot that out there. And once again, join the AMC Live Cast crew on October 24th at 8 p.m. I guess I should have put that in there. On the live from the AMC 2024 Southern Nationals. That's going to be fun. Like I said, it's going to be interesting. So be kind to your neighbors. You don't know when you're going to see them again. Thank you to all of our service people for serving, and for the ones that gave their lives for this awesome country. And for whatever you do, please, please save the fingers. Catch you later in the next video. Bye-bye.